In 2018, a man named Timo Kaukonen from Finland took on a rather dangerous challenge. He balanced a running chainsaw on his chin, defying all odds and gravity. Keeping his composure, Timo managed to maintain this precarious position for a jaw-dropping 2 minutes and 27 seconds, shattering the previous record. This incredible human feat not only earned him a spot in the Guinness World Records, but also showcased his immense concentration and bravery. How did he prepare for such a risky endeavor? With countless training sessions and a unique sense of balance, Timo proved that sometimes legends aren't just born, they're made through sheer determination.